Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to repost with comment on X. Okay, so the feature for reposting with a comment on X is called quote. So let's open X on the device. Let me reset that I have here. And if you want to repost with a comment, you have to tap repost icon under the post itself that looks like two arrows in square, and here select quote option. So in this menu you have to add your comment, add your reaction, so you can type here whatever that you want. Additionally, if you want, you can upload some media to your quote. And finally, when you're ready, when you're satisfied with your comment, you have to tap post icon in the top right corner of your screen, and your comment will appear at the top of your page, and it will be publicly visible for everyone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.